It's a new year and I'm excited to dive into new crafting with you. So let's get into it. So today I'm excited to share a Valentine's or love themed mini album or junk journal that I've been working on. First, I recycled packaging from a really fun Valentine's Day themed nail polish. I took the packaging, cut it, and added it to be a fun embellishment to one of the layouts. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn these conversation heart candy boxes into additional embellishments. I need to flatten this out. You could even use the top flaps. You can make pockets out of this. There's so many things to do. Back with my handy dandy mounting squares. And I'm going to turn this into a journaling tag. And that's because the lines will go in the right way. Turn it over, you'll have the journaling. I always like to just dress around the, add some inking around the edges. And use Dollar Tree hearts. This will be a fun embellishment in the corner. Also, ribbon. Place it wherever you'd like. Now, but I took one of these bags. I cut it down to the size of the book. And I based that off of the size of the candy box. And this will become my journaling box at the bottom. That is on side one of the layout. And I do have a pocket up here that I can add pictures into. So now we're going to flip the paper bag over. I did add a ribbon embellishment. This is the pom-pom trim, and again I just Mod Podged it on, and I did let it dry for an hour or two. The other thing that I've done is I've got all this scrap paper left over from making pages for the mini album. What I did was I've cut out squares. I'm actually going to make this a pocket. So what I've done is I've now made the pocket to slide in my conversation hearts journaling tag. And voila!